two simple Android settings to protect your personal information when you connect to public free Wi-Fi. Please watch this video till end. I'll show you exactly where to find each setting. Step 1. Turn on Randomized MAC Address. Every phone has something called a MAC address. Think of it like a serial number for your Wi-Fi connection. This address stayed the same everywhere you went. That allowed places like shopping centers, airports and cafes to recognize your phone every time you visited. Thankfully, Android now lets your phone use a random address instead. This makes it much harder for businesses or attackers to identify and track your device. Here's how to check it. Open Settings, tap Connections, open Wi-Fi, tap the gear icon next to a saved Wi-Fi network. Now tap View More, scroll it down, look for MAC address type. Select Randomized MAC. Do this for every Wi-Fi network you regularly use. It's one of the easiest privacy improvements you can make. Step 2. Disable Auto Connect for public Wi-Fi. Here's something many Android users don't know. If you've connected to public Wi-Fi before, your phone may reconnect automatically whenever it sees a network with the same name. Unfortunately, criminals know this too. Someone can create a fake Wi-Fi hotspot using the same network name. Your phone might connect automatically without you even noticing. Here's how to stop it. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, open Saved Networks, turn Auto Reconnect off, leave Auto Connect enabled only for places you completely trust, such as your own home. Quick recap before connecting to your next Wi-Fi network. Remember these two steps. Enable Randomized MAC Address. Turn Auto Connect off for public Wi-Fi. These simple changes make your Android phone much harder to track and help reduce the risk of connecting to fake Wi-Fi networks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android tips. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.